Thank you. So, what am I now?
So today we are headed to Ligani, guys, and we're gonna link up with Jackie again, our good friend, and we're gonna be just driving around, going up to Constant Spring and doing different things. Like we're passing Sovereign, let's go over Sovereign right now. Yeah, and then we can make more drive, go all over the place where we want to go. Hey, I'm hungry too, you know. I wonder if I can find some food. And here we are in the Sovereign Mall in Ligani, just like I remembered from way back when. The food court down the bottom and shop space is at the top. But we have a specific store that we're gonna go check out right now. Sovereign Mall from way back in the day. Yeah. Joshua, say hello. This is called Sovereign Mall. Me and your mom used to hang out here.
Let's watch a movie.
Oh no. So when you're in Sovereign, just follow the footprints to this awesome little store that I found called Morgan's Creek. Yes, trust me. Come check it out.
Hi, so my name is Joy Dale Morgan and welcome to Morgan's Creek. We're a local manufacturing brand in Jamaica. We're located at Liganin Shopping Center and we manufacture products mainly for the body. So anything from the face to the body. We're going into hair products, but that's for 2019. And we look forward to seeing you.
Okay, nice.
Really now, I can't see ya, and I feeling breaking up is hard to do. Loneliness, yeah, this feeling, yeah, burning deep inside.
Hello, my love. It's getting cold on this island.
Baby, you know that I still care.
I'm all alone.
All alone,
I'm so sad on my own.
really now.
The truth is, we were much too young.
Young and innocent,
Now I'm looking for you
looking for you too.
or anyone like you.
No one knows time, so nobody try.
We said goodbye with a smile on our faces. Now you're all alone. You're so sad on your own. So alone, so alone. The truth is, we ran out of time. Now you're looking for me or anyone like me. Where can you be? Where can you be?
Don't know what with princess, cause I mind over matter. I am the one that gonna love you forever. Some will change, but I will never. Your love is a treasure, it's my pleasure. I will never let you go, never let you go. I'ma let you know. Lonely girl, let me show you. Gonna give you all the loving I owe you. Yeah.
So alone, so alone, so alone.
Yes, I know I miss you. I really, really do. Baby, feel it now.
So there you have it, folks. Morgan's Creek Luxury Beauty Store. Yes, organic, Jamaican made products that will help to enhance your skin and your beauty. Check it out next time you're in Sovereign. I promise you, you'll love it. And while we're here in Sovereign Center, might as well we just stop into the health and nutrition health food store that's downstairs in Sovereign, right by the food court. I promise you, products that are mainly made in Jamaica, products that are good for your body, good for your health, and I was blown away by the wide array of different products they have. Indigenous products that you only can find in Jamaica. If you care about your health, check out Health and Nutrition Health Food Store in Sovereign. And trust me, this is not endorsed by them. Me just love good things. Yes, sir. What regarding what? No, I was saying you could use coconut oil.
Ooh yeah. Well, alright, we're jamming. I wanna jam it with you. We're jamming, jamming, and I hope you like jamming too. And the rules ain't no foul. We can do it anyhow. I and I will see you through. 'Cause every day we pay the price. We'll deliver sacrifice. Jamming till the jam is through. We're jamming.
Bottles and ranks come from mash up the place.
Your children must unite. Life is worth much more than gold. We're jamming, and we're jamming in the name of the Lord. We're jamming, look out, we're jamming right straight from your. And the rules ain't no foul. We can do it anyhow. I and I will see you through. 'Cause every day we pay the price. We'll deliver sacrifice. Jamming till the jam.
It's a Barbican where I get ready to fix up, you know, and turn in a one way and all that
hot
kind
place.
of something and a hot place. So we say Barbican.
What's Acropolis?
A couple is the baby now.
This will take you so when I go River Ridge.
River Ridge? No, you can't River Ridge.
Back there so. You just cut here so. And go around.
Knock down soon.
Wow.
No more of this soon.
Stabilize this one very rich. Cover this one. Wonder if Mrs. Zadie them still have them shop over this one. For the store. I don't remember any What I'm using that property there for now is a condo or is still a hotel up there. But Paul
that
Chen
is
Young did miss it.
Mount Plaza, that's where it's a suite.
Oh, it's a condo. All these places are familiar to me. You know, those houses on the hills. I used to be around here doing stuff, working. It just gets different, you know? Yeah, it gets different. Where I go do? We've been away for more than 10 years. Jamaica, just traveling around and looking at different things, nothing specific. Some of the vlog will be specific, but some won't. Other ones just gonna be footage.